Warm greetings, dear students. I am Dr. Britto Jenobia, Assistant Professor from the Department of English, Holy Cross College, Trichy. Today we are going to see the topic Brochure and its types. Before going deep into the topic, let us know what are the learning objectives we have in this particular topic. After completing this lesson, you will be able to understand and know to define brochure, identify and discuss the characteristics of brochure, describe the various types that comes under brochure, and then you will be able to create an informative brochure for your own product. So what you see in this picture, if it is a plain white sheet, we call it as white paper. If it is something with images, with trifold, single fold, different varieties of designs, we call that as brochure, that is meant for advertising. So before going deep into the topic, let us know what brochure is. It is a marketing tool which helps to advertise a particular product into the society. Next, it helps to share a lot of information in a handy manner. For example, if you have given a pamphlet or brochure in your hand, you will be able to understand the history of the company, what are the things that is there in that particular brochure, other ingredients they are going to add about a product, and what is the price of the particular product. All the details you will get it in a handy manner, in the sense you have it in your hand so that you can open it and you can see everything. Next is, it is a traditional marketing collateral. That means it is there from the beginning. Though we have many digital medium and platforms to advertise, most of the people prefer traditional marketing collateral. Next is, it is used to educate the target audience about a product, company or brand. Not only about product, company or brand, even for an event, when you go for a restaurant, you want to know that items that is there in the restaurant, you can see a brochure of that restaurant and you can know it. In that way, it will be useful. That gives you the information for the target audience. So the exact definition of brochure is, it is an informative paper document folded in sections or panels that is mass produced to fulfill a marketing object. Brochure, in the sense, it is a paper. That doesn't mean it should be in only a plain paper. It can be A4 size, A5 size, A3 size. That doesn't mean like that. You can fold A4 size into 3, into 2, into 4, even you can use Z fold, you can fold double parallel fold, everything you can use it in a brochure. What are the major features of a brochure? The main focus of brochure is to deliver information about a product, company, brand, event in an easily accessible format. For example, you go to a shop called Himalaya Product Shop. There you go there, you want to get some cream. You get it, and then they will give you a brochure. Inside that you can find, you have gone to buy a face cream, but you will be able to know about the baby products also. That's how you will be able to get the information of what are the things that comes under the product Himalaya. Next is, often it is used as a part of larger marketing campaign. For example, in a huge crowd, you want to explain about your product. The easiest way is, you can give everybody, the people who come inside, you can give the brochure so that everybody will know this particular part is there in this particular building, so that everybody will be aware of this. So it is called as a marketing campaign. Then it is distributed either manually or through the mails. You can either give it as a pamphlet to the peoples in the society, or else you can give it through the mail. Next, what are the functions you have in the brochure? It is a storehouse of information comprising of featured products and services. As I said earlier, a small thing, but it has lots of information. That's how the brochure is. Next one, encloses easy to read text printed in visually pleasing font size. A paper that should be in a written format. That is how the brochure should be. Not only in the written format, it also has some designs, some pictures, some attractive things that makes the target people to get attracted towards the particular product. Next, it combines both images and text, make it aesthetically appealing. Exactly, images, text together, that gives a furnishing way of explaining to the audience. Educate the target customers. When you take a product, it has to be reach the customers. The best way is through the brochure, people will be able to understand the information about the particular product. It will highlight the key features and benefits of a product in a more informative way. For example, if you take a product, for example, take Johnson. Johnson is a product that is meant for baby. You know only that. When you take the brochure, you will understand when does this particular Johnson product has been started, how long it is there, how does people prefer this particular product, what are the things that they use to prepare a soap. All those details you will get it in the brochure. Fulfilling the marketing strategies like creating brand awareness. A brand is something that has to prevail all through the ages. It should not stop in one particular age. So when you use brochure, it will be easy for the people to reach it to the people continuously. It will be there in the ages. And build trust and credibility. You will get much more trust when you know about the particular product's information. So you get trust and credibility about this particular product. Next, we are going to see the types of brochure according to the format. The first one is single fold. It's nothing but you take a paper and you fold it into two. That is called as single fold. So you got 4 sides. You can use this 4 sides for many informations. And this will be used to distributed in corporate meeting and trade shows. Next one is trifold. It's nothing but you fold the paper into 3, you get 6 pieces of panels so that you can add the informations with visual effects. That means you can add images along with the text. You can use your creativity in this particular trifold type. Next one is Z fold type. The same trifold, but it will be in an Z format, the letter Z. That's how it is. So that in the front also you can see what is happening in this particular event. At the back also you can see what is happening in the particular event. And in the middle you can give the informations about the event or a product. Next one is gatefold. Gatefold it is like a gate. You got 4 types, 4 parts. So when you open it, it looks like a gate, and inside that you will find informations about the company or product. Next one is double parallel fold. It is nothing but when you add 2 Z together, that forms double parallel fold. So you get around 6 panels, and in those 6 panels you get you can give lots of information so that the people will be able to understand it easily. And mostly for the double parallel fold, people use it for tourist guides and tourist maps. And the next one is double gate fold. This is meant for business. When you have too much of crowd and you want to explain about your business, this is the best brochure format. You got 4 sides. That means you got 8 panels. Inside each panel, around it you can know, people will be able to understand what is the particular topic or else what is the particular brand they are going to explain. That's how this double gatefold explains. So these are the types according to the usage. First one is information brochure. Information brochure is something that gives you information about a particular company or product or brand. Next one is educational brochure. This is meant for the universities, schools and colleges. Sometimes for the admission process they use this, and sometimes they use this for conducting any event in the college or campus or school. That's how it is used. Then product brochure is specifically you explain about a particular product. For example, Himalaya is a brand, and inside that Himalaya you are going to explain about one particular product. That is called as product brochure. Then event brochure, as I said earlier, when you are conducting an event, you can explain about the event in the front and what are the things happening, and at the back you can write the schedule of the event and who are all coming for the event. All those things you can give it in event brochure. Next is map brochure. This we use it for tourism. Through this we will be able to find the place or destination we want to reach. We can also adventure around a particular place through this map brochure. Next one is menu brochure. As I said earlier, we can use this in the restaurant to list the items that is there in the particular restaurant. So I hope you all understood what are the types and what are the features, functions of the brochure. So this is a quick recap. Through the FAQ, you will be able to understand, you will be able to answer all these questions. And these are the references I have taken. You can also make use of it. Thank you.